There was a young boy named Jack who loved to read. He spent all his free time at the library, devouring books on a wide range of subjects: history, science, literature, and more. One day, Jack's teacher gave the class an assignment to write an essay on a topic of their choice. Jack chose to write about the history of space exploration. He already knew a lot about the topic from all the books he had read, but he wanted to learn more. So, he went back to the library and spent hours reading everything he could find about space exploration. He learned about the first satellites, the Apollo missions, and the International Space Station. He also learned about the challenges of space travel, like zero gravity and radiation exposure. When it was time to turn in his essay, Jack's teacher was impressed. He had gone above and beyond the assignment, and his essay was full of interesting and detailed information. The other students were amazed at how much Jack knew about space. From that day on, Jack was known as the smartest kid in class. He realized that his love of reading had given him a wealth of knowledge that he could draw from whenever he needed it. And he promised to never stop learning and reading, so he could continue to be smart and knowledgeable in all areas of his life.